In this quick video, I'll show you how to save videos from Instagram to gallery. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So previously there was no inbuilt feature to download Instagram videos to our gallery, but currently there is one feature which we can use to download Instagram reels or videos. So for that I will simply go to search, and suppose I want to download this reel or video in my gallery. So for that I will simply go to the share icon. I will click on it, and after that you will see that here is an option called download, which we can use to download Instagram reels or videos directly to our gallery. I just need to click here, and after that it will ask our gallery permission. I will click on allow, and now you can see the Instagram reel has been successfully downloaded in my gallery. I will show you that video in my gallery now. You can see this is the video I downloaded in front of you. So this is the way. Now this time I want to download this video. I just need to click on that video, click on share icon, and now click on download to download this video. If you don't find this download icon, then you can just scroll down here to see the download option. But there is one problem with this option, that sometimes this option will be there and sometimes it won't. You just have to keep checking whether the option has come or not, because Instagram is testing this option or feature you can say, and it is currently in beta. So we just have to check manually, but mostly you will find this option here. We can use that option and download the videos or reels directly in your gallery. So this was the authentic way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.